Welcome to Ham and Jam TV show. So Angel. Hello you guys. So today we're going to open a LOL. So let's do a magic. 1, 2, 3. Hamster. So we have this big jumbo under wraps. So let's see. It has 50 surprises. Wow. So I'm going to use my magic to open the LOL under wraps. So 1, 2, 3, hamster. So you guys, my magic did it. So let's open our first layer. So we got our decoder. So let's see what Quiet Queen. Wait, let's see what Quiet Queen is saying. She says, "I want out." If I was you, I'll say I really want out. So this time I'm going to use magic to 1, 2, 3, hamster. So you guys, my magic did it again, and it was kind of horrible. But it's still okay, you guys. No one's perfect, even the ball. So let's see what Quiet Queen is saying again. Ah! So here she is. She said, "Let's play." So let's see our secret clue. It says at a garden party. Well, I feel so happy. So I'm going to do a magic again. 1, 2, 3, hamster. So you guys, I just did it. So yeah, I remember. Whoa, the camera just fell. Here's our codes, but I don't need it anymore, you know. So let's see. Oh, here we have a new design. So let's see if we get it right. Crown jewel, no. Ring or shine, no. Peace and love, no. Lucky devil, no. Sweet or sour, yes. We got our first bag, yeah. Let's get our second. Hot or cold? Crown jewel. Rain or shine, yes. We got our second bag out. So let's see. Peace and love, no. Lucky devil, no. Sweet or sour, no. Hot or cold, no. I keep forgetting this one. Okay. It is crown jewel, no. Rain or shine, no. Peace and love, no. Lucky devil, no. Which one is it? So I got to use my magic. 1, 2, 3, hamster. So you guys, the top one was crown jewel. So let's see our doll. So rain or shine, no. Peace or love, yes. So let's see. I'm now going to look at the checklist. I wonder who it is. Oh, look at this cute little hairband. I wonder what's inside here. cute little shoes. Oh no! So here I got cute little shoes. Oh my gosh. So here's our little bottle. Whoa. Look at this cute little bottle. Isn't it cute, you guys? Ah. So here's our dress for the doll. Oh my gosh. It says cheer. How cute is that, you guys? So, yeah. So just one more gift. And we're going to reveal our final doll. Whoa, look at these cute little pom-poms. So where's the hand? Here. I wonder who this is. So you guys, I don't just peel it. I don't just... Whoa, you guys. This is so amazing. Wow, you guys, isn't this so cool? So let's reveal our doll. Whoa. Ah! The head popped up. Oh no, poor little dolly. No. No, poor little dolly. So let's see. She's so cute. Let's dress her up, you guys. Oh no, I'm just drunk. Oh, I dread the wrong stuff. So let's dress her up. Ugh, she's so hard to dress up. Oh my gosh. Okay, isn't she so cute, you guys? Whoa. So you guys, I cannot wait until Christmas because we're going to open 3 LOLs. What? Where's the hand place where we can do the hand? Well, we can. Oh no! Okay, I need to do this in menu. Oh no! Not again. Please fit this time. So you guys, this is taking too much long time. There we go. Woohoo! Now let's go on with our second. The hand is kind of messed up, you guys. But I'm still fine with that. No one's perfect. I told you a long time ago. Well, a few minutes ago. Or you can say a few seconds ago. So by looking by her, she's not Majorette. Because Majorette has a hat. I almost look like Majorette, but I'm not just right away. And guess my name in the comments down below. So nice to meet you. So are you a color changer? It looks like she is by touching the hand. So I'm going to check the checklist. 1, 2, 3, here. So you guys, she's actually a color changer in warm waters. So I'm going to dump her in the warm water. So 1, 2, 3, here. So you guys, I got the warmest water in the whole entire world. I don't see it. Oh! It was. Ah! Oh my gosh! How come? Oh my gosh. Okay, this is too cute. Isn't she? Whoa, her hair. I think she has a twin sister. Oh my gosh, what's this thing now? Oh, you guys, look. Look, you guys. She gets white hair and her makeup changes color. Her dress does too. This was like purplish stuff. And these like stripies go away, I think. Ah! Yes, it does. And okay, I better look at the inside right now. Ah! I cannot take it off. Whoa, you guys. Whoa. Isn't that so cool? Her hairband changes color. Wow, you guys, this is the coolest doll that I never got in the whole entire world. The water is too hot. Maybe you can have a party here, just like your secret message said. Aw, she gets a little puppy thingy. A tattoo. Okay, I immediately need a picture. Okay, you guys. So it's the end of the video. Not yet. So we're going to see her water supply. So you guys, today I went to Walmart and Target. And in Walmart, there's only glam glitter and some other ones that were opened. So yeah, that was the baddest thing. Drink your bottle. Oop. Ooh, this is so nice. Nice, warm, milky. Let's see. What? Why not? Okay. A color changer spits. You guys don't know that. So how about some cold icy water, Angel? Okay. That's still a good idea. So I'm going to dump your dress and stuff. So because I wanted the color change. And even you with your head off. More in the water, more you change color. So you guys, I'm going to get a cold water. So 1, 2, 3, here. So I got her water, and yeah. Whoa, you're blowing a bubble gum. I was? Yes. So let's bring the clothes back. Where's the shoes? There. And I got some ice, you guys. There are so many. Because something was blocking the place where the ice comes out. So I'm going to make it cold. The ice cold. The water cold. So let's dump her in. Oh no, I don't see any color change. She just turns normal. No. Let's see her shoes. No. How about her hairband? No. So let's try Flower Child. Our confetti pop. our flower child doesn't color change. How strange, you guys. So you guys, it's the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe and give a thumbs up button. So bye, you guys. Bye. Bye.